feeling.
Happy Monday, y'all. I'm off from work and we just made some seafood pasta. I did not video it. I did not have any time. I am starving. It is, I don't even know what time it is, but I've just been lying in bed all day watching YouTube videos. I need to respond to I've been watching it on the TV, so I have to grab my phone to comment on it, but I like it better on the TV. And I also like watching my videos on the TV as well to kind of see how my quality is. But, this year it's a new year, so we're going to up our quality. It's coming. Anyways, yes, I made some seafood pasta. I bought the rainforest. I'm going to put you guys on because if you don't know it, this is what? I think it's less than $500 or $500 for it. It's a seafood mix. Rainforest seafood mix. I'll put a picture up. It has mussels, squid, and shrimp in it. If I'm not mistaken, I'll tell you guys what it is. But yeah, I made it in some pasta. I actually cut it in half. I made some for pasta and I just made some separately. So I'll have that with my brown rice, my sweet potato, banana, stuff like that. So we're just relaxing on our day off. It's been raining for a couple of hours now. It kind of finished. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue eating and just watching YouTube videos. So that is the plan for the day. Hey guys, what is up? Happy Tuesday. So we are heading on the road to do some errands and so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Well, mostly. I also have a delivery that's supposed to be done today. I'm awaiting the call. Don't get no call yet, but it's okay. I guess we'll figure that out. It is about to rain. We're having a rainy week in Jamaica and some parts of the island is flooded. Like people homes are flooded. It's just 3 months ago, less than 3 months ago, we had Hurricane Melissa, and now in January people are flooded out. Also people are still without lights, electricity in Jamaica in certain parts of the island, which I don't know how they do it. I don't know how I would be able to function in that capacity with no electricity for so long. My electricity goes out for even 5 minutes. I am super pissed. So, and I'll there's prayers up and I really hope those people get electricity as soon as possible. The persons who are currently flooded out, God, lift your hand on Jamaica because oh my god, see, it's raining now. Trust me, the natural disasters they're happening. They are happening. So I'm gonna go on the road to just do a short errand. Tomorrow, Wednesday, we should be going to the beach. And then on Thursday I start back work. I'm not gonna lie, how I'm feeling, I really should have taken off the entire week. I'm not gonna lie. Thinking about it, because I feel like I don't have enough days. I literally, after today, I only have one more full day tomorrow and then books back to work. But it's okay. It's Thursday and then I don't work on weekends, so I guess I'll have the weekend for that. But this year we're gonna be taking more days. I told you probably in the last vlog, I didn't take much days last year because I did not go on a vacation. So yeah, we're preparing for this year and hopefully things work out for us. Hopefully things align how we want it to. And all of that. So let's head out. It's raining. I finally got my car insurance. I'm in my car right now. I'm gonna go to the printer place, get that printed. My vehicle registration though, I having issues with registering it online, so I'm gonna see if I can go up to the tax office today. It's after 1 and I'm really not feeling it, but at this point I don't want to get no ticket. I already have outstanding that I really need to take care of. So yeah, anyways, we're gonna go on the road. See, it's raining. My umbrella, where's my umbrella? I think it's in the trunk. Oh, it's okay, we'll figure it out. So we're gonna go. Y'all know I do have a tripod for the car, so I'll see you guys when I see you later.
Ooh, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
why. By the way, I just ate patty. So if you're seeing food in my mouth, it's patty. Tell me why I've been in the ATM line standing for like 20 minutes, and when it's my turn to use the ATM, I was going before it was my time to use the ATM. I went in my bag and look, there's no card. There was no card. I left my ATM card at home, so I had to drive my way back home. What a waste of time. But anyways, I'm at my mom. I'm just gonna do some stuff. So where I need to go to the ATM, like it's essential to go today. I can't let today pass and I don't go, because I don't really, tomorrow I want to just head to the beach. So I don't really want to do much errands. So I'm gonna do that later once I'm finish up here. But next time, Kerry, I need to check your bag. Just double check our purses before we go out. Tip. Yeah. Hey guys, good morning, happy Wednesday. So we have done our skincare for the day, which reminds me I need to get another moisturizer with sunscreen in it. Normally guys, I don't wear sunscreen on my skin. Like I told you, I have very sensitive skin, so I have yet tested any moisturizer with sunscreen or anything like that. But that is my goal for this year, is to really get more into skincare and take care of my skin. So I'm gonna do some more research onto which sunscreen is great for sensitive skin, and then I'll try it, and then when we purchase it, y'all know we're gonna try it together. Anyways, we're in our swimwear. We are heading to the beach. I told y'all that we're gonna go to the beach. Haven't been for a while, and it's our first beach day for 2026, and of course more to come. But we gotta go to the bank. Yes, remember I told you I left my banking card yesterday. I did eventually go home. Guys, not me talking to you all and my phone says space. So the videos that I did yesterday and one day, I need to take them off my phone and put it to the card. You see, this is where the girl needs her camera, but we're working on it pretty soon. Like, y'all will see, we're working on the camera. What was I saying? Yeah, so I didn't get to deposit the cash that I needed, so I'm thinking to just go inside the bank. It is moving on to 11 a.m. So we're gonna quickly try to head to the bank. I need to pick up something for my friend, drop off something, and then I'm gonna head to the beach. We're gonna go to Portmore, of course. I was thinking Bob Marley Beach, but to be honest, I don't think it makes sense. Yeah, I don't wanna. And Bob Marley Beach, I like going there like in the evening time, because trust me, when the sun sets, it is so gorgeous. If you guys wanna go to Bob Marley Beach in St. Thomas side, you definitely can go there in the afternoon and leave there at sundown. It's beautiful. The sunrise is beautiful. And the way during the daytime the sun gets so hot there, it's crazy. So I'm gonna head to one of the beaches in Portmore. Hopefully the water is pretty over there. I haven't been there in a while. Anyways, we're gonna fully get dressed and then we're gonna head out, and I will see you guys when I'm on the road. Hey guys, so it is 12:51 and I've been waiting on my friend from 12:28. She's at work, so I'm assuming she did tell me that she was gonna go somewhere, or I'm assuming she's in a meeting. But 12:51, I know I've been here since 12:28, so I'm giving her until 1 o'clock. If I do see her at 1, I'm just gonna leave. I text her and let her know that, hey, I'm gonna leave at 1 because I can't wait any longer. I wanted to get to the beach between 12 and 1 o'clock. Apparently the girl is running late as usual, but yeah, I just want to get to the beach, take off my clothes, be in my swimsuit. I have my swimsuit underneath, order me fishing festival, and just relax till probably around 5 o'clock. I leave the beach. So that is the plan, y'all. So yeah, so if I'm leave 1 o'clock, I should get to Portmore by 1:30 in the afternoon. So that is the plan. Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated when she's back. Hey guys, order my fish.
I know if you fight kung fu, but I go fight for you. I got my eyes on you, you got fights on you. I know if you die for you, ladies, but I'll live my life for you. I got my eyes on you, you got vibes on you. Yeah, we could go on a vacation, have fun maybe all night long. We could go on a vacation.
Hey guys, so we're leaving the beach right now. It was such a pretty good chill day. Yeah, I had a great time. I really didn't get to video much or take a picture because I didn't take out my tripod. I really just wanted to relax, and it was such a day. What I really need to do, I'm gonna tell you, when it comes down to Portmore beaches, the beach chairs are so uncomfortable. So your back hurts, your butt hurts. Like if you don't have a lot of meat like me, your butt hurts. So, you know, I'm not able to like stay long. It's 4 o'clock right now and I got here, what, 1:30 something, which is not bad, but I wanted to leave at 5, but my ass is hurting me, guys. And next time, I think I have, you know, by the way, I have my beach chair in the back. I should have just walked with a chair. I'm not gonna lie, I should have just walked with a chair and sit in it. But we're gonna get home. At least we're gonna beat the traffic, get home, shower, and yeah, we're just gonna watch some Netflix. We're watching The Good Doctor, by the way, that new Netflix series, and then we're watching NOS 4. Yeah, we're watching two series simultaneously. So whatever I feel for, I grab it. We're gonna head home, and yeah, it was such a great day, y'all. I appreciate you guys for watching. My little days off from work was so good. I should have been at an all-inclusive hotel, okay? I'm just saying, but we're working on it. We're working on our vacation for 2026, okay? So when there's more, when my flights are booked, or if my flights are booked, my hotels are booked, you guys will be the first to know, of course. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Take care.